Hey guys, Father's Day is right around the corner. Here are 6 super easy and super cute crafts that your toddlers can actually make. The first one is sticker heart card. Here's a sticker hack. Just remove the white border for easy peeling of the stickers. Next, draw a heart on a cardstock paper and allow your toddler to apply stickers on the borders. Peeling stickers is an awesome fine motor activity for kids. Also, tracing a pattern like this heart also helps in improvement of the pre-writing skills in toddlers. Once your toddler is done with tracing the stickers, all you need to do is write your note and you're done. Isn't it cute? The next one is mess-free Father's Day card. Fold the cardstock paper into a half. Use a washi tape to make the letters. Now place it in a Ziploc bag and add some colors. Then finally allow your toddler to smush the colors using their fingers. Once the artwork is ready, just remove the tape and you're done. The next one is our favorite My Dad Rocks card. For this, I have cut out a leftover cardboard piece and added the double-sided tape on each side. Peel the white part and the sticky surfaces there. Alternatively, you can also use glue for the same. Using the cardboard gives it a sturdy structure that can hold the rocks. Then allow your toddler to pick up the rocks and place it on the sticky part. I've used small aquarium rocks here to enhance the fine motor skills in toddlers. Once the rocks are done, just paste the paper with your message on it. So fun, isn't it? No Father's Day is complete without a handprint card. All you need to do is trace your toddler's hand. It can be a bit tricky, by the way, if your toddler keeps moving. Fold the fingers and paste it on the cardstock paper and scribble thumbs up for the best father. And the cutest card is ready. The fifth one is spray bottle painted cards. Grab a sheet and paste the heart cutout on it. Mix the colors in water such that it gets a dripping consistency. Fill the colors in a spray bottle. Tape the card vertically on a cardboard surface and allow your toddler to spray. Spraying is so fun for the kids and it is a great fine motor activity as well. This is definitely a messy activity, better to carry it out outside. Use as many colors as you want. Once your toddler is done with the spraying, just let it dry. And finally remove the heart and see the creativity. Instead of the heart, you can also use a father-child salute for the same. And lastly, DIY Father's Day frame. Cut out a sturdy cardboard from the center and allow your toddler to paint. The best part about this DIY is that it is totally toddler-led and you can use anything and everything that you have at home. Once the paint dries, just allow your toddler to stick whatever you have at home to make your own DIY frame. We are using paper flowers and leaves for ours. You can also make a nature board with fresh flowers and leaves. I also added a note while my toddler wanted to add stickers and a lot of it. The best part is you can never go wrong with this activity. And I was totally impressed by the result, especially because it was made by my toddler. It gets a bit messy, but it's definitely a must try. Bonus, you can also capture some fun memories in this frame. Isn't it the cutest DIY? I hope you like these ideas. Which one is your favorite? Do leave us a comment below. Check out the blog for more information. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.